Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Day in the Kitchen. And today I want to show you how I made these sandy shortbread cookies. Now these ain't just any shortbread cookies, these are real soft shortbread cookies. I mean the real thing. Anyways, thank you for watching. Okay, what we're going to need is 2 sticks of butter. 2 sticks of unsalted butter, or salted. Mine's salted butter, so it don't really matter. Full cup of brown sugar. I didn't have quite a bit of full sugar brown, so I added a little bit of white to it. Anyways, we're going to blend this up real good with our processor. Yeah, we're going to push. Gotta be 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I don't have vanilla extract, so I'm happy to replace it with almond extract. You want 2 teaspoons. Add in 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. That's the batter you're looking for to make these sandy cookies. Okay. We're going to take a scooper right here. Sorry about the floor. We're going to take a scoop down here. Try this. Come over here. And we're just going to place them like on here like that. We're going to pat them all over the thing. What they look like before they go right into the oven. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit for about, let it sit in there for about 10 minutes until it's done. First thing I forgot to ask was very crucial. You got to put it into the freezer before you put it in the oven, because you got to firm it up a little bit so you can take a cup like this, and you want to go along smashing them a little bit so they get that sandy texture look to them. We're going to put this in the oven right now, and we'll come back when they're finished. That's what they look like when they're done. I just took one to my mom, so there's one missing, but that's what they look like. We're going to do a taste test on them when they cool off, but anyways, I'm going to put them onto a plate, come back and try them in a minute. Now we're going to do a taste test. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that shortbread sandy cookie. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful right there? I'm going to do a taste test right on that. That is a beautiful looking cookie right there. Oh my God, it's so delicious. So good. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more updated videos. If you do subscribe to my channel, however, hit that notification bell so you do get all of the videos that I make. Y'all have a great day.